Hello and welcome to the coding class, CodeWithFareed, and in this video I will be teaching you turtle drawing with Python. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a circle and the minor circles, such as this one at this and this, changing the width and that. But you might know a B-bar. Sometimes you might use that in schools to do the drawings, but we'll be using that with the computer. So let's get into the video. So first, how will we get the turtle page up? So there's two lines of code to get the turtle pages up. So the first one you need is import turtle. This will tell the computer to when the page comes up to put the turtle on the page. So you'll click enter and you'll see nothing pops up because we need to enter the second code for the page. So you need to name your turtle. So let's stick with James, because if you go with another name you might put James and then so just put James, no capitals, James dot turtle equals pen. Make sure you put capital P, pen bracket. It should be working. So I've got a little bit muddled up there. It should be James equals turtle dot pen. And on your screen, the turtle, Python turtle graphics will turn up. So we're not gonna, you might be thinking, why this is not a turtle, it's an arrow. So we're going to change that. It's a one line of simple code. So the one line of simple code is just James dot shape bracket speech marks and then turtle. I'll put all the shapes you can put in the I'll put all the shapes you can use for the turtle in the description if you need any. Yeah, so you can change the color, but we won't worry about that now. So let's try and make a square. So it's very simple. All what you have to do is type James dot forward. That's just gonna, the computer will tell the turtle to move forward 100 steps. So that's how it is. You can make it go slower, but I'll do that in the next video. So to turn it around, you have to go forward, James dot left 90, and then keep doing it. James dot forward 100, James dot left 90, James dot forward 100, James dot forward, James dot left 90, James dot forward 100. So there's 7 code of line just to make this. 7 lines of code just to make a square. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make a how to do a loop. So the loop is just you just do the 2 first lines and it'll just make the square. So we're gonna be changing the width, because as you can see the width isn't very, that high. So let's try changing the width. So all what you have to do is James dot width. No speech marks, you don't need speech marks, and we're just going to put 5. Okay, so James dot forward 100. See, as you can see, the width has changed. Okay, so we're going to make minus a circle, which is very simple, and try making it underneath, which is a minus one. So we're gonna reset everything. So the reset code is just gonna take all of this and the turtle away. It won't take the turtle away, it'll take the turtle shape away back into array. Although it stays the same. Okay, so next we're gonna be doing the circle. So you're gonna put James.circle 100. So it's just one line, simple line. Just one simple line, and I'll make the circle. You can change the width. Let's go over it. And make it like that. As I said, we'll do a different color in the next video. So now we're going to try making the circle underneath. So you might be thinking, it's the same, isn't it? Just circle, James.circle 100. Well, it's not. But some of you might think maybe it's James.circle minus 100. If you guess that, you are totally right. So the minus will make it go underneath. I'll tell the computer, I'll tell the turtle to go underneath. So if you try that at home, you'll get used to it and you'll know how to do it. So you keep writing it. You don't have to do the exact one I'm doing, you can do it quite differently. Just to do that. So that's it. So that's the shape so far. So now let's try. So now if you can remember how to reset all of this, try resetting it. So what you have to do is James dot reset bracket. So two things we will be doing in the next video is changing the color and a sneak peek at the loop. And this is a sneak peek for the loop. This is an example. For I in loop, for I in range 0, 4, semicolon. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you've learned something today.